Maria is a marketing assistant who lives in a busy city. Every weekday, she wakes up at 6 a.m. and starts her day with a short jog in the park near her apartment. After jogging, she takes a shower, eats breakfast, and gets ready for work. Her breakfast usually includes toast, fruit, and a cup of tea. At 7:30 a.m., Maria takes the subway to her office. The ride takes about 30 minutes, and she uses the time to listen to podcasts or read the news on her phone. She works from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Her job includes writing emails, attending meetings, and helping her team with online campaigns. After work, Maria sometimes meets her friends for dinner at a local restaurant. If not, she cooks at home, usually making pasta, soup, or rice dishes. In the evening, she watches her favorite TV series or reads a novel. Before bed, she prepares her clothes and bag for the next day. She goes to sleep around 10:30 p.m., ready to begin a new day.
It's time. Let's begin. You'll have about 10 seconds for each quiz question.